Hi, I'm Andy. I'm out asking kids about the new renovations going on. All right, do you know about the new renovations going on? Do you know about the new renovations going on?
Of course I know about the new renovations going on. Like, how could you not?
What are you most excited about?
Probably the bathrooms or the cafeteria AC.
I'm most excited about the new AC so I don't jump every time it turns on while I'm in study hall.
And I'm excited about the new desks and chairs.
I'm excited for new flooring and new ceilings and new walls.
Like, I'm so excited about the new cafeteria and everything, especially the science lab and just how the cafeteria is going to turn out because, I mean, there's this old AC unit, kind of scares me. We're getting a new one. It's kind of exciting.
I'm excited about the air conditioning in the cafeteria.
I'm most excited for new air conditioning in the cafeteria that doesn't make me jump every time it turns on.
And Mr. Horn, what are you most excited about for the new renovations?
I am most excited for my engineering room because I'm going to get all sorts of fun stuff.
Well, I don't know any specifics, but I'm hoping they get to the bathroom.
I'm excited about the new bathrooms.
New bathrooms.
New bathrooms.
New classrooms, and I'm excited for science labs.
I'm most excited for the new desks and floors.
I'm going to get a 3D printing room so we can have a whole array of 3D printers running all the time.
What are you most excited for with renovations for your room?
Probably just that it looks a little bit cleaner and a little bit nicer, and to get some more storage instead of having that weird old chemical shower in the corner. So
I'm excited for the lunchroom.
I'm excited for the new science buildings.
I'm most excited for just newer classrooms, better floors, and yeah, definitely the bathroom.
I'm going to get a tool bench where I can organize my tools and make sure people don't steal them, all that good stuff.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Definitely the bathrooms and the new classrooms and the AC. Not so loud.
That's good.